Welcome to the WordPress 2FA tutorial. In this video, we will set up two-factor authentication using an Authenticator app with Ultimate Security. To get started, make sure you have installed Ultimate Security. Start at your dashboard. Go to Ultimate Security in the sidebar and select Login and Authentication. Click on the Authenticator Apps tab. This is where we configure the global settings for your site. Turn on the Authenticator Applications toggle. Under Enable for Roles, choose who needs to use 2FA like administrators and editors. Keep the advanced settings on time-based TOTP. Next, we have XMLRPC, and by default, do not require 2FA over XMLRPC is selected to tighten security further. Make sure that you encrypt keys in database, so don't forget to click on the Encryption Enabled button. Then click Save Changes. You'll see the settings saved successfully confirmation. Now, let's activate it for your admin account. Go to Users, then Profile. Scroll all the way down to the Ultimate Security section at the bottom of your profile page. Under Selected Method, click the drop-down and choose Authenticator Application. Your 6-digit code and a QR code will appear. If the code expires, just click Refresh Code to generate a new one. Scan the QR code with your app, like Google Authenticator. You can also click the magnifying glass to see a larger version of the QR code. If you need to start over, hit Reset Private Key. Once confirmed, a new key and QR code will be generated successfully. And if you are using any security device, you can copy the private key and paste it to the device as well. To do that, copy the private key from here. Now, click Save Settings to lock it in. If you think you made any mistake, reset 2FA settings. Scroll down and click Update Profile to finish. Let's test in a new browser and try logging back in with your username and password. Now, simply enter the 6-digit verification code from the app and click Verify. Success! You're logged in securely. Your account is now protected with Ultimate Security. Download Ultimate Security link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more WordPress security videos.